Okay, how to use Amazon AU international shipping. So in here, it's like really easy. First of all, get into your Amazon, make sure you're logged into your account, right? So in here, like I said, it's like really easy. All you need to do is obviously set your current location to your exact location. Then even when you do have the products that are like international based on, let's just say UK, or it is based on Amazon US or UK, then what you can do is you can, like, there's no problem in it. You can simply go along with the product and you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to buy it, because the amount that you'll be seeing has would have been already converted into like the Australian dollars instead of the UK pound or US dollars. So there's no need to be like worried about the international shipping. All you need to do is go through the process of it, because like I said, the price would have been already converted automatically by Amazon. So yeah, but you have to remember, since it is an international delivery, it might take a little bit of more time than the usual national delivery. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.